right, we're starting inverses of relations and functions. Shoot, I'd love you to be able to graph and recognize inverses of relations and functions. I'd love for you to be able to find the inverses of those functions. And you're like, inverses? Yeah. You graph the inverse relation by reflecting it over the graph for the line y equals x. And you'll see what I mean here in a second. We're going to graph it. So you're going to get a graph that looks like this initially, and it might show some exponential growth like this. Now the line y equals x is a diagonal line across here, right? It has a y-intercept of 0. It has a slope of 1. So when we reflect it over that, it's going to look super cute. Oh, it's going to look something along those lines. Very fun, very exciting. So let's try it out. Graph the relation and connect the points, then graph the inverse. Identify the domain and range of each relation. So that's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of words here. By the way, this red line is the line y equals x. So if we graph that first coordinate 0, 2, it's right here. And we've got 1, 4. Oh wait, those are going by halves. So 1, 4 is here. We've got 2, 5. We got 4, 6. And we've got 8, 7. My graph can go to 8. Oh. I think it does. Yep. 8, 7 would be here. So it says to connect. We're just connecting those lines. Now, domain, remember, is all our x values. So our domain, our lowest x value is 0. So we can say 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to. And our highest value for the x's was 7. As far as the range goes there, our y values, the lowest y value was 2. 2 is less than or equal to y. And our highest y value was 7. Whoops, I put 7 for the x's, but that should have been 8. So now if we do the inverse of that, we just flip the coordinates. So this coordinate was 0, 2. We're going to transform that. We're going to move stuff all over the place, I guess, a couple times, huh? Oh, okay, what's going on here, Mr. Plant? What's going on here? Okay. It was 0, 2. Oh, come on. Now we're going to flip it, and we'll make it 2, 0. So we're going to do that with all the coordinates. So our new coordinate over there, let me undo that again. Zero, 2 now becomes 2, 0. We're going to have 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 4, 7, 8. We just reversed the coordinates. 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 4, and 7, 8. So instead, basically just flip the y and the x. So 2 zeros here. We've got 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 4, and 7, 8. Woo, fun. Now, if we were saying domain and range for that, it's just going to flip the initial domain and range we had for the first one. So the domain will become our range, and our range will become our domain. So now our new domain is this. 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 7, right? We just flip those. The range, which are our new y coordinates, will be up there. It'll be 0, less than or equal to y, is less than or equal to 8. Very fun.